Hi, my name is Adam Miziołek. I'm representing Verestro. Verestro is a fintech as a service provider, global one. So whenever you are now sitting, is it's Asia or Latin America, or Australia, Africa, or European Union, or Europe, you can easily use our services. Today, we are touching the merchant's case, as we are not only provider to fintechs and banks. So if you are a merchant, e-commerce, or a physical store merchant, we can easily incorporate the embedded finance solutions also for you. And today I would like to speak a bit of the value it brings to your business model. Okay, so all of us are searching for a precious stone. In our geography, one of those most popular precious stones are ambers. Here you can see one of the biggest one, I guess, in the world, lying somewhere in Gdańsk in the northern Poland, where we have a software house. And so how to get those high revenues and loyalty to your brand via the financial services. First of them is, of course, card issuing. So you can easily issue the cards to your customers. The average value for your business is something like €1 per card per month of the fee that it's generating to your business. Plus, while having this card, you are actually generating the higher frequency of purchases within your shop. So the customer is returning to your shop having it in their wallet or e-wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, will most likely do more purchases in your e-shop or shop. The second stream of revenue is a white label app. So we can provide you, of course, the white label app if you don't have one yet. It is giving you a higher loyalty and higher frequency of interactions with your brand. Plus, of course, you can add a cards to this app and then easily add via the app. The end user can easily add it to the Apple Pay and the Google Pay. This app may also contain the push notifications. For example, if you have some like offers of new products, new services, you can easily use the push notification to inform your customers. The last thing where you can earn on embedded finance solutions is, of course, donations widget that we provided to banks, fintechs, and merchants, and they are supporting with the widget their CSR targets. So if you are very sensitive to some local activities, you can easily use this tool to support it. And of course, for your sensitive end users, for your customers, it will build a higher loyalty and most likely higher frequency of purchases in your eShop. Let's maybe discuss more the use cases of the merchants, how the merchants are using the embedded finance within their business models. So first of all, it's a card issuing, as I said, and merchants are mostly using it to settle the refunds via cards. So whenever customer is returning the goods, customer is just receiving not the return in cash, but in a form of a card. This card is closed loop card. So customer may only use it for your shop, in-store or online shop. So you are still keeping this money within your ecosystem. The second thing we are using here for the merchants, what we provide to the merchants is the e-wallet. So if you have your native app, we can offer you the e-wallet. So customers actually topping up his e-wallet within your native app, and by means of this e-wallet is doing the purchases. It's a very common solution for the biggest merchants nowadays. The next solution we can provide is a business expense management. This is actually the administration panel when you can easily, as a merchant, issue the cards, no matter if it's your employee and need a debit business card for, I know, business travels or to purchase something for your store. So you can issue the card easily and then manage the limits on this card. But also, if, for example, there is a Christmas season coming, you can just do it for your customers. So you can easily issue the gift cards to your end users via the system. It's done in milliseconds. The customer does not need to do any KYC. It's a very seamless process for the user. He's receiving a card via email. The next use case is a white label app, as I said. It's a ready-to-use mobile application for iOS and Android. And by means of this app, as I said, you are just building the higher loyalty and the frequency of purchases. Of course, we are also providing this service to those who are already having their native apps, but missing one important part, the embedded finance. So you are already having, for example, a native app, and you are selling, for example, shoes via this app, but you would like to also have a card within your app, an e-wallet. So via the SDK, we are just integrating with you the components that allows you to use such solutions. The last but not least is a donations widget. As I said, it is supporting your CSR strategy. So if you are very sensitive to local communities, some activities in the local communities or eco initiatives, you can also add it to your website easily or to your native app as well. How do we work with our customers? So when we are meeting the first time with our customers, we are choosing together and tailoring the product for the user, for the customer, for the partner. So you are choosing if you want to card issuing only, or a package of maybe services with a tokenization, maybe with money transfers, maybe some loyalty and card benefits solutions for your business. And after this process, we are just deciding in the second stage, what would be the architecture of deploying such a solution for your business. So you can use our API or SDK integration, or you are just taking the white label solution, as I mentioned before, and adding it to your ecosystem. And the last stage, of course, is a go live. We are fully supporting customer at every stage. So you will receive a 24 hours, 7 days a week support from our custom service. Okay, thank you very much. I genuinely believe that this is the offer for everyone. It's very affordable in terms of pricing. And in case you would have any questions, please write to me or visit our website. I would be pleased to help you.